The Finnhomy commercial-grade utility card delivers professional-grade performance through advanced 3-tier wire construction engineered for intensive commercial and residential applications, measuring 18 inches depth by 30 inches width by 32.4 inches height with impressive 500-pound maximum recommended weight capacity when moving. The industrial-strength alloy steel construction features 69-piece thickened wires per shelf representing the highest density available commercially, ensuring shelves maintain structural integrity without deformation even under substantial loading. The premium chrome-plated anti-rust shelving provides exceptional durability and corrosion resistance throughout diverse environments including kitchens, warehouses, garages, offices, and restaurants where moisture exposure and heavy use demand superior material quality. The 4-inch industrial wheels including 2 with locking brakes enable smooth movement across varied surfaces while providing security through selective locking mechanisms preventing unwanted rolling. We share by links in description box. A sophisticated humanization design incorporates convenient handle push bar and ventilated basket construction enabling efficient item access and transportation without structural obstruction. The adjustable height shelf configuration enables 1-inch interval positioning accommodating diverse storage requirements and specialized applications without requiring permanent configurations. The NSF certification affirms compliance with rigorous public health and safety standards, ensuring suitability for food storage and commercial kitchen operations. The 26.5-pound weight combined with 1-inch diameter poles provides substantial construction quality suitable for demanding intensive use environments. The tool-free assembly enables rapid deployment within minutes using straightforward procedures without specialized equipment. The exceptional 1320-pound, 600-kilogram static load-bearing test result demonstrating 24-hour performance confirms professional-grade structural engineering and durability. The versatile applications encompassing kitchens, warehouses, retail establishments, and commercial food services demonstrate comprehensive functionality. The outstanding value combines commercial-grade engineering, professional durability, and reasonable residential